My name is Oscar Camargo. I was born in South America. I live in New York. My biggest impression is perhaps that through the integration of this philosophy in our lives, things are going to be amazing, as we experience here during 7 days. The possibility of understanding how energy works and the spirituality behind it is beautiful and really deep. So I really believe that is something that anyone who's in the spiritual path can really take benefit of. In the Vedanta tradition, we say that you have to always follow your heart, and when you see something that's unknown, but it feels right to your heart, you have to jump, even if it is the most scary thing, because you have to embrace unknown. And as you do that, you will see the path unfolding. It's like when you see when you see an abyss, you know that you have to jump, and until you jump, you won't see the net. So I think that's, in some cases, why people don't want to explore spirituality and teachings like this. And I'm telling them, this is the time. If you are synchronized or this information resonates with you, it's just because you're ready. You just have to go for it.